Hey, how y'all doing? Hey, listen, I got sent over this really nice looking knife sheath. Let's take it out of the package so we can see it a little better. I can see the designs in it from here. You probably can't. So let me get this opened up. Boy, they got that good Ziploc bag, that's for sure. Hey, here we go. Look at that. Let me get this up a little closer. You've got to see this design. It's nice, y'all. You know, look at all that fancy design. And now, that may be pressed in, I realize that, but it looks good. Look at the heavy stitching. This runs all the way through. This is 2 layers stitched on this side too, all the way through. Yeah, this has got a 2-inch opening right here, so a 2-inch wide belt will work just fine. It is 4.5 inches from this point to this point. And from the bottom to the top, it's showing 4.3 inches. Overall length is showing to be 6 inches. Now, I didn't measure this. I'm going off of what they're showing on the product page. Just out of curiosity, we'll measure it. We've got, actually about 6 1/4. Opening is about 2 1/8. So yeah, their measurements are pretty close. I just was really impressed with this design. Now this is leather too. Pretty nice. Hey, I have a couple ideas. Let me move my little tripod out of the way here. Just set it over there out of the way. Hey, if you're getting any value out of this video or any of the other videos that I have done, be sure to hit the thumbs up on those videos, as well as this one, of course. And if you haven't yet subscribed, I'm inviting you to do so now, so you won't miss any future video reviews or any other videos that I may be putting out. I'm going to be doing some live streams as well. So you'll be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you will be notified of the next video coming out. Thanks. This is made for knives, right? You know, you can put your knife in there. Looks really nice in there. You can put a pocket knife in there. I had an idea, and I haven't tried it yet, so we're going to try it together. If you are into fishing, get your fishing pliers. Those should fit in there just fine. Look at that. So even if you don't want to carry a knife in this sheath and you want to carry your knife in your pocket, and assuming that it's a pocket knife, you want to carry a straight knife in your pocket. But anyway, you can carry some fishing pliers or other tools of this size. Doesn't necessarily have to be a knife. So that would be handy. I just happen to have a belt right here. Now when you get ready to put this on, don't run it out from the back there, because you're going to hide all that nice pretty leather work. Go in from the front to the back. There you go. It won't be hiding this fancy leather work. That is the way to be. Let's put it on and see what it looks like. I believe you can see that. And so you can put your pliers in there. Have them like that. Or if you're going to carry a knife in there, like that. Well, yeah, there you have it. That is a nice leather sheath indeed. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.